All right, everyone, welcome back to another tool review video here at Gloss University. Right in front of me here on the table, I have Liquid Elements' new T4500 15mm long throw polisher. And then over here, this is the A4500. This is the battery version. Now here at Gloss University, one of the things that we preach is the tool doesn't make you better. Understanding how to use that tool is where you can really benefit. At Gloss University, we're pretty much brand neutral. We do use a lot of different brands here, especially when it comes to tools. We have a lot of different tools. Milwaukee tools, DeWalt tools, Makita tools, Flex tools, Rupes tools. And that's part of the value add I believe that you have from training with us here at Gloss University is instead of spending a whole bunch of money on testing and buying these tools on your own, you can come down with us for a 2-day or a 3-day event, get these tools in your hands and see how you guys like the performance of them. Now, as long as I've been doing paint correction, I have always supported Rupes tools. I believe Rupes, they're kind of the pioneers. They really were the ones to really raise the bar when it comes to a long throw polisher. However, in modern day, it seems like the newest versions of those tools are not of the same or equal quality that they once were. And there's a lot of mixed reviews on the internet about this now, and it's just an interesting thing to think about because I know a lot of businesses are trying to save, money with manufacturing and increase their margins while reducing their bottom line. And this is what has really made me excited about testing out some new tools that can kind of live in that same playground as Rupes. And I am here to unbox these tools with you guys today in real time. So we appreciate you guys watching. We're not gonna waste any more time. Let's get into it. All right, so the tools are now unboxed. I have them here in front of me. Again, these are both 15mm throws. One is battery powered and the other one is a corded tool. Has that fancy detachable cord. So I'm really excited to use these here and the timing is actually perfect. We have some pretty unique paint correction projects coming up in the coming weeks here at Gloss University, some different paint systems, and this is gonna be a great scenario to put these tools through the paces just to see how they perform. I'd love to hear some feedback from you guys. If you are using these tools, I'd like to get some information from you guys, what you like about them, what you don't like about them, but also it'd be great to hear if you guys have any comments of what you would like to see us talk about in these tools.
Make sure you stay tuned to the YouTube channel and on all of our social media as we continue to evaluate and reevaluate some of the tools that we've done in the past. We've got a ton of new polishers. Up next is the Rupes Mark V. And while they didn't just come out, we have been waiting a little while since the release of them to make sure that we are testing a tool that is in the real world. Maybe it's refined a little bit when you get new models that come to market. Sometimes there's some issues, and the Rupes Mark V came with a new backing plate. So we waited a little while to get that tool. Plus, we've got some other tools. Mirka's got the new 3-inch rotary as well as the full-size rotary. And we've got the Liquid Elements Pro Model battery tools. So the cordless tools from Liquid Elements, we're gonna compare all these different tools, maybe even compare some of the Liquid Elements to the new Rupes, to the Mirkas, and kind of see what we're working with.
We really appreciate you guys watching. Please remember to check out glossuniversity.com and we'll see all of you guys on the next video.
Thanks for staying tuned.